In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image alt tags to your Wix website. Alt tags, or alternative text, are crucial for both search engine optimization and accessibility. They help search engines understand what an image is about, which can boost your site's visibility, and they provide context for users who might rely on screen readers or who have images turned off due to slow internet connections. So let's dive right into the process using the classic Wix editor. First, you need to click on the specific image that you want to add an alt tag to. This could be a single image, an image in a gallery, or even a background image. This process works for all of them. Once you've selected your image, a small menu should appear on your screen. From this menu, you're going to click on the Settings option. This is where you'll find the tools you need to edit the image's details. Now that you're in the Settings section, look for a field labeled What's in the Image, alt text. This is where you'll type the description of your image. When crafting this description, make sure it's concise yet specific enough to clearly convey what the image represents. Think about what the key elements of the image are and describe those so that someone who can't see the image can still understand its content. Once you're happy with the alt text that you've entered, make sure to save your changes. This is a crucial step, as forgetting to save will mean your new alt text won't be applied. So double check that everything is saved correctly before you move on. And there you have it. You've successfully added an alt tag to your image in Wix using the classic editor. As a quick tip, try to make alt texts a standard part of your workflow whenever you upload new images to your website. This not only helps in maintaining your site's SEO health, but also ensures that your site remains accessible and user-friendly for everyone visiting. By adding these descriptions, you're making your website a more inclusive space for individuals who rely on assistive technology. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tricks. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, keep enhancing your website and reaching broader audiences.